Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, major market updates. We are also going to talk about the ETF inflows and outflows and also about the altcoin season index. So make sure you stay tuned until the end. Share this video with your friends. Leave a like and comment down below. What are you focusing on right now in the market? We also have here the WWFC, the VX World Futures Championship, starting in a couple of days. You can register here down below with my link in the description. You can join my team. This is the Decentralized Whales team, and we can grab up to $1.5 million in prizes. This is a big opportunity for all the sophisticated traders out there. Now, let's quickly go and take a look at the charts. Let's see what happened to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins in the last 24 hours. We can see actually Bitcoin again pulling back during the US market open. The market opened in the US just around 15 minutes ago, and we can see we are already facing a retracement. The market was building up again, and in the past 15 minutes we can see we dropped again around $1,000 here. So we need to be very careful though. The market is volatile right now. Support here at 120, and the next one is at around 117,000. You need to be very careful right now. Don't use too much leverage. Wait until the market is oversold. For now, we are very close to getting oversold. So I think one more leg down, and after that, we will have the biggest bull run ever. We are already having a massive bull run. Bitcoin went from $17,000 up to $126,000. That's around 7 to 8 x's, so 700-800% in the last 4 to 5 years. So quite amazing gains for everyone out there who's long term. You need to have a long term vision to be in the crypto space. You can't just come in and expect to make crazy gains in a couple of days. You have to learn, you have to be patient, and also be disciplined. That's very, very important. You have to show up every day, checking the charts, checking the markets, doing technical analysis, learning more skills, and improving yourself every day. Now we talked about Bitcoin. We can see here we have to go back above this zone right here, $123,000, and after we can create a new uptrend. We are still in an uptrend here on the daily, guys. Look at this. This is actually a consolidation phase right now, but for now we are still in a update. We have here a low, then we have here a higher low, and now we're creating here probably another higher low. So for now it looks good. We also create the higher high here, so the market will probably continue this uptrend very, very soon. Now we're having just a little shakeout. We can see we're already pumping back up almost $122,000. Now let's quickly talk also about Ethereum here. My trade still 46k in the profits. Yesterday we took already some nice profits because I was feeling that the market might retrace a little bit. We can see already $18,000 in realized gains here on the Ethereum trade, which is quite amazing. As you remember, we opened this trade 4 to 5 months ago. I think it was in April or May, and we opened it around $1,750. We scaled it up already, so my entry price is a little bit higher right now. I have around $5,000 in margin, but I started this trade just with $2,000 in margin, and I took profits on the way, and then I scaled it back up. For now, Ethereum, same as Bitcoin. Let's see, still going probably to the oversold zone again. So we might go, I talked about in yesterday's video, to this zone right here, the $4,000 zone. Let's see if that will happen or not. For now, we are basically consolidating in this zone right here. So it's not unlikely that we might go and grab some liquidity that's there at around the $4,000 area. So you need to be very, very careful. Short or long positions, always use small leverage, and I also talked about it in yesterday's video. Position sizing is key. Only use 1 or 2% of your trading capital for a single trade. Don't risk too much. If you risk too much, you make unwise decisions. If you only risk 1 or 2%, you can make much smarter decision, and you are much more calmer during volatile periods. Now Ethereum, we have to go above the 4,700. Let's see. For now, let's see. We have a little bit of a support at $4,200. So let's see if it will hold or not. That's the big question right now. For Ethereum, let's quickly take its line here. We can see it was also support before. So let's see here. We might touch the 4,200. If we will have a big bounce, we will talk about some interesting data, guys. Let's go over here to the ETF inflows, and we can see here on the ETF inflows we are having Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF inflows, and we can see here just this past 2 weeks, guys, has been very for inflows. We can see there have been no outflows here. Massive inflows for Ethereum, almost $1 billion in total for Bitcoin and Ethereum, or in inflows for the ETFs. And we can see here massive Bitcoin inflows as well, and Ethereum also. Just yesterday, 417 million inflows for Ethereum. Just yesterday, $1.3 billion in inflows in total. So the ETFs are buying massively. I also saw some data that there is almost no Bitcoin left on the exchanges. So the Bitcoin is getting scarce and scarce. And once the threshold is reached, price will go massively to the upside because there is literally no more Bitcoin to buy. That's why you have to buy right now before the big money will flow even more into this. So many millionaires, so many billionaires, and they all want to have some Bitcoin. And right now it's still below $1 million. This is a big opportunity to buy Bitcoin below $1 million. It will go to higher prices than that. Even $10 million is possible. So you can still make a 100x just by buying and holding Bitcoin. That's definitely a nice opportunity for everyone. Now let's quickly talk also about here the crypto altcoin season. Let's see what else we have here. For now, we are not in the altcoin season yet, but we can see here some altcoins are making crazy gains. We can see here Ether, this is the perp decentralized exchange, almost 2,300% in the last 90 days, which is quite nice. And we can see also some of the exchange tokens have been massively pumping, like OKBear, or this is the OKX token, 356% in the last 90 days, MNT, Crow, BNB, and many others. BNB 94% gains in the past 90 days. Also, Ether is doing quite well. Let me quickly find right here. Ether has been performing actually very well. Let's find it here. ETH here in the past 90 days. Cake as well, guys. And if you remember, we were buying Cake when it was just $2.70. Let's quickly find the trade right here. We still have it open. We already took some nice profits, already over 12K realized here on my PancakeSwap trade, and we are still over $24,000 in profits just with this trade alone. We can see here we've been buying Cake and it was just $2.7, now sitting at $4.20. So if you are watching my videos, you are massively in the profits right now. Congratulations to all of you out there. And also, guys, you can share this video with your friends. Like that, we can make gains together. We grow the decentralized family and we have more fun together. Now, if you want to trade like see me do here on the WeX platform, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses plus the WWFC championship, where you can grab up to $1.5 million in prizes. It's going on right now. Massive opportunity for the beginners and for the veteran traders out there, the professional traders, to grab some nice rewards, and let's win with a decentralized family. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye.